so you know these doors are popped. So.
Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, Tesla Y Sunday. We've got a few of them here. Here's two. This one over here is getting a full vehicle wrap. It's going to be underway here in a little bit. We're tinting it first. There's some of the patterns up on the wall. And just to give you an idea, these windows are done, but we run them over and then we shave the edges so there's no gaps. So go look at some existing window tint, maybe on a car you have at home already, or friends or whatever. You'll see gaps typically about a quarter an inch maybe to there. We don't do that. Everything gets shaved, and there it is. Let me try to focus on that. So if you want some window tint that is looking like it's not there, let us know, but no gaps on our film. You want to talk about a micro edge? There it is. Let's go over to this black one that's finished up. This is a full front XPEL Ultimate Plus. Here in the future, he's going to do his rocker panels with his splash panel in the rear. But like always, everything, oh man, I'm getting old here. Everything gets wrapped around these edges. Everything's getting wrapped in these doors. Everything's getting wrapped in the hood and fender. We try not to show any edges, and we're very successful at it. We wrap it around here, and then we wrap it around here on the back side. Coming around the front, my usual wrapping in the headlights here around the bezel. This one, the T, the light's strong in here. The T is removed, and again wrapping inside the bezel. I think this is my first black Model Y. I've had plenty of whites and grays. Again, everything's inside here, and again inside the doors. And let me pan out here so we can get an overall of this black Y. Love the black, looks good. They all look good, but this black really shows up the gloss really well. And let's go over to the window tint. This client here did the two doors only. Again, shaving, coming in close, no gap. We don't want a gap, folks. And then we did the moonroof. Now this isn't gonna do us any good, but it's a full roof, one piece, no seam. It tucks in behind the interior back here. So there's no lines outside. We don't want any light gaps. And as usual, the interior gets entirely masked off. We've got special seat covers, dash covers, screen covers. Nothing gets touched in this car with water. When we do our door panels, we have panel covers, all the switches, everything gets covered. No water, no staining. You can see the panels are perfect. We don't ruin anything. We take great care in these cars to make sure that nothing happens. No staining on the upper interior there. Everything's perfect. So trust us when you give us your car, no matter what it is. There's a lot of prep work that gets done to protect your vehicle on the inside as well as the outside. We don't wear any clothes that would scrape. We wear special clothes that are smooth to keep your car from getting scratched up should we lean on it. We don't carry tools on us. We don't carry keychains or any of that type of stuff. So just be known, it goes further than just saying, hey, I want tint, I want Clearbrow. There's a lot of care that goes into the vehicle when it's here. We don't have a bunch of people milling about. I keep my employees very limited, and that way the cars leave here the same way you brought them, just shinier. So there you go. I think I've spoke enough on this one, but Tesla Model Y, full front. We'll get the rockers later for this gentleman. Tint XR Plus by XPEL, 98% IR rejection, which means heat rejection. And then the roof is done in the same XPEL XR Plus. And this Model Y is going to be a full vehicle wrap. I'll have this done tonight by midnight. So there you go, folks. Clearbrow, North Dallas. Thanks for watching.